how are you, sir? Pleasure to meet you. Thank you for coming. So let me just rewind this right here, and I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right. Okay. We're gonna walk just over here.
Okay.
Hopefully you won't mind. It'll be one moment I'll set up for you. The setup palette and holder, open box. Some used to make these, but these are very convenient because they're very light and compact. This is a cadmium yellow light. Scrub in large areas, but you can also get little edges and you can get nice lines getting tight. So they're very versatile. I see them as shapes. They're just silhouette shapes. You don't see all the detail within the trees, and you just try to see things as just basic shapes. So if I just did a straight path, it wouldn't be very interesting. So let's just kind of pretend the path. We'll just kind of change the angles a little bit. It's not so important that you move swiftly, but just be efficient with it. And now once you get, let's say these are the colors, go back in that foggy hillside back there, and we take some ultramarine blue. That works out pretty good if you like. See how I feel that? That doesn't look too bad. If you want to warm that up a little, take a little yellow ochre. Don't try to change the whole picture. You know, stick true to how you first saw it. Otherwise, it will become very disjointed, be a mess. Forward, the colors will get stronger, more vivid. You'll see more details. Keeping things simple back here was a contrast, as opposed to we'll put some texture in the foreground. But now we're just gonna mix up the same tones as before, but lighten them a little. That's where these grays sometimes come in handy. In your studio, you can take the time. Light. However, it did not do very well at all. It was very scary. But they love it here. It's a very good spot to serve. Oh. I'm eating this. And then lastly, you know, we'll just, like I say,
I learn a lot, and I know common mistake that I did when doing painting. Too fast to see the result. Too much paint and to take, and it's very difficult to manage it. And
well, correct it. Yes. One is not to try to get everything in the scene, you know, try to capture everything, but use it as inspiration to create your own painting. And then there's the process, is laying the paint out, but also how to lay the paint down on the board. Try to see your subject simply, just as, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 elements, or 4 elements, or 5, as few as you can.
Well, Brian, watching you are doing painting just now, to me it's not only learning about techniques, but the whole concepts and ideas. And only 1 hour, but I learned a lot.
Well, this is basically what I do.
Right. Yeah. Nice.
I put a few of these things. These are the studies, and these would be the paintings.
Okay.
And like that would be a study for that painting, and there's some other ones over here. It's up to you.
So, see you later.
Thank you for coming. I appreciate you reaching out to me. And like I say, I'm flattered you would even consider reaching out and meeting me. I'm very humbled by it. But thank you again all for coming. I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you, Brian.
And it was a great pleasure to meet you all, and thank you for the purchasing of the paintings. I hope you enjoy them. But this is what I do.
Yes, convey my basilica to your wife.
I will. Thank you so much.
Bye, Brad.